Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to share Airbnb link for your listing. Now, this is very simple, guys. Now, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're uploading 5 different videos on Airbnb and other topics as well, such as technology and AI. So you can check out our channel for more. But today we're going to show you how to share Airbnb link for your listing. So as you can see, it's very simple. You go to the listing. If you have multiple listings, you need to select the one you want to share, and you can click preview listing, and then you can click share. You will see the share button or share link, and then you can select where you want to share it and then follow the steps. Now you can also promote your listing by embedding a preview on your website. That's also one thing that you can do. And if we go here, you will see that if you go to listings, you can preview listing and click share, and then you can embed and copy the HTML link. You can give that link to your developers, or you can do it yourself if you're tech savvy, to paste the listing HTML code into your website. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next Airbnb video tutorial and guide. Subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video.